Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga with Adriene. I'm Adriene, this is Benji, and today we have a sweet little meditation for self-love. So hop into something comfy and let's get started. Alrighty, my friend. We're going to begin in a comfortable seat of your choice. You can also do this video lying down. I want you to feel comfortable and go to a position, come into a position that feels good, that feels supported. So I'm sitting up on a bolster so that I can feel nice and comfortable sitting up tall, but you do you. If you're sitting up, align your head over your heart and your heart over your pelvis. If you're lying down, tuck your chin so that your neck is nice and long. Then let's bring our left hand to our heart space and our right hand to the low belly. Gently allow your eyelids to get heavy. Close your eyes. And baby, let's take this time to reset, reconnect. Remember that we are worthy of love. As we begin to tune in here, trust that you made the right decision selecting this video, carving out just a little bit of time and space to consider or reconsider where you are right now. And not only reconnect or remember with this fact in my mind, this truth that you are worthy of love. But perhaps be open to taking it one step further and remembering or reconnecting with the fact or the truth that you are love. Take a deep breath in wherever you are. And a long breath out wherever you are. And now maybe with the eyes closed, if they are not already, take another deep breath in. Wherever you are, just whatever's going on with you today. And a long breath out. So I'm definitely rolling out the red carpet here for you to just come as you are with however you're feeling. And then hopefully we can use this gentle process either as preventative care or a little rescue remedy for you to know and feel that you are worthy of love and that you are in fact the love itself. Inhale in. And on your next exhale, just allow the hands to rest wherever feels good. Gently at your sides, maybe palms on the knees or the thighs, maybe fingertips resting gently on the ribs if you're on your back. Use the sound of my voice to guide you here so you can keep your eyes closed. Relax your tongue down in your mouth. Take a deep breath in, fill your belly with air. And as you exhale, relax your shoulders. Now starting at your feet, send your awareness to your feet and just slowly taking a gentle body scan, noticing as you go up through the body all the way to your crown, noticing if there are any tight places or places that you might be holding or gripping. See if you can detect any places in the body physically or energetically where you might be able to soften and blanket a little love, relax. Inhale in deeply and exhale completely. Continuing with a nice conscious breath. Seeing if you can, whatever this means to you, breathe like you love yourself. Inhaling lots of love in and exhaling lots of love out. Now, if you've stumbled across some areas, either specifically physically, maybe in the shoulders, the low back, the hips, or more energetically, emotionally, maybe in the heart space or even in the head, the neck. If you've stumbled across a place that has felt tight or is tight, congested, use your breath, this loving inhale and this loving exhale, to soften that area, to smooth it out. Send some love to that area. Breathing in deep into the belly as you inhale. Softening, blanketing the body in love as you surrender on the exhale. Continue to gently deepen your breath, using it as a tool to reside in the present moment. Notice the thoughts that come up. Acknowledge them and use the mantra, inhale lots of love in and exhale lots of love out, to anchor the brain to refocus on love. You can use the mantra, inhale lots of love in, exhale lots of love out, in repetition here. And you can use it off the mat when you wake up in the morning and before you go to bed at night. Inhale lots of love in. Exhale lots of love out. Inhale lots of love in. Exhale lots of love out. Continue with your breath, repeating the mantra a couple more times, ingraining it, remembering it, taking it as a tool to reset and reconnect with the truth that you are worthy of love and that, in fact, you are love. If you're on your back, tuck your chin again, lengthen through the back of the neck. If you're seated, use your next inhale to lift your heart space a little bit more. Inhale lots of love in. Exhale lots of love out. Inhale lots of love in. Exhale lots of love out. As you're ready, gently bring the palms together. Anjali Mudra at the heart. Take a hot second. Notice how you feel. And as you're ready, start to lift the corners of the mouth and smile, even if it's a fake smile. Allow your smile to grow a little bit bigger. Take a deep breath in, a long breath out. Flutter the eyelashes open. Bring the thumbs up to the third eye. Quietly whisper, I am worthy of love. Don't be shy. Quietly whisper, affirm, I am love. I am love. And then allow your head and your hands to gently fold in, bowing towards your heart. Thank you so much for sharing a little time with me and with people all over the world. You are not alone. We're all in this together. Let's take one more deep inhale. Breathing in love. Exhale. Breathing out. Yep, you guessed it. Love. Thanks, everyone. Let me know how you're feeling in the comment section down below. If you think you know someone in your life who might benefit from this little meditation break, send this free video to them. Thank you for subscribing to Yoga with Adriene YouTube channel and supporting free yoga and meditation for all. I love ya. Namaste.